All right, taking a look at number 11 here. Let me scroll to it. So we've got our roofing contractor, and he said it takes him about 20 hours to roof a house if he does it on his own. He has an assistant that could do it in about 30 hours. So we want to find out how long it would take them to do it together. And so, well, we're given, what are we trying to find out, I guess? The amount of time that's going to take them together. So let's say let T be the amount of time to roof one roof, one roof together. I've actually put some roofs together, so it's a hard job to do on your own, especially if you fall off the roof. You need someone to kind of call an ambulance or something like that. All right, so jokes aside, let's get going here. So if that is the time, we don't know what the time is. That's our variable. The rate, I think, is given. We said this is the owner, so the owner could do it he could do one job, so one roof in 20 hours, and then the assistant was able to do it in about 30 hours. So if we go rate times time, then it's T over 20, depending on what the time is, how much work they get done. So 20 hours, what you'd see would be one roof. And then here it's going to be T over 30. Okay, so what we want to do is find out if we add the work that they do together, what would T have to be? How much time would it have to be in order to equal one roof? So let's just go ahead and I'll switch colors here. Let's make an equation. So we have the owner's work. That was weird. The owner work, right, plus the assistant's work is equal to one roof. Okay, so let's go ahead. The owner's work was T over 20, and the assistant's was T over 30 equals 1. Okay, so we have a fraction, two fractions here, and to clear those fractions, we need to determine what is the lowest common multiple of the denominators, or the LCD, the lowest common denominator. In this case, it's going to have to be 60, right? So let's go ahead and clear those fractions by multiplying by the LCD. So multiply by 60 here, and that cancels out to 3. Multiply by 60 here, that cancels out to 2. And then we multiply by 60 here. So we're going to get 60. And here we're going to have 3t plus 2t. I'll simplify that to 5t equals 60. So t equals 12. So that's going to be 12, and that units are hours. So let's see if that's reasonable. You know, to do it by himself, the owner would take 20 hours. And so the assistant to do it by himself would be 30. So it's going to be less than 20, right? For sure. More than 10 because the assistant is slower. So you can't just say it'd be half the speed, or twice the speed, I guess. All right, so answer is it will take 12 hours, because that was the variable we already said. That's what we're trying to find out, to do it together, right? To shingle one roof together. All right.